Hello everyone, this is part 2. Double crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet. How to make the magic ring and increase. Double crochet. Crochet 2 chains corresponding to the height of the double crochet. Take a loop on the crochet hook. Insert the hook, take the yarn, put over, take the yarn, put over the first two. Continue, take the yarn and put over the second two. Treble crochet. Create 3 chains the height of the stitch. Roll 2 loops on the hook. Insert the hook past the stitch. Take the yarn, put over. Take the yarn, put over through the first two. Take the yarn, put over the next two. Take the yarn, put over the last two. Double treble crochet. Create 4 chains. Do 3 loop on the hook. Insert the hook through the stitch. Take the yarn, put over the first two. Take the yarn, put over the next two. Take the yarn and put over the third two loop. Take the yarn, put over the last two. This is double treble crochet. Continue to this until you master it. How to make a magic ring. Roll the yarn 2 times on your index finger, holding the position of the yarn tightly. Insert the hook under the first loop. Take the yarn in the second loop and make a single crochet. If the circle can move, you have successfully created a magic ring. To increase, I create 6 single crochet on the magic ring. Increasing crochet means crocheting 2 stitches in the same stitch. This is an increase with the single crochet. One and 2 stitch in the same position. With other crochet stitches, do the same. Crochet 2 stitches in the same position.